Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your password in UKG Pro. Start by opening your web browser. Go to your company's unique UKG Pro login page. This link is usually provided by your employer. Once the login page is open, look at the sign-in area. Under the fields where you enter your username and password, you will see a link that says Forgot Your Password. Click on that link to begin the reset process. Next, you will be asked to verify your identity. Enter your username or your work email address in the provided field. Make sure the information is correct. You may also see a CAPTCHA box on the screen. Complete the CAPTCHA by following the instructions. This step helps confirm that you are not a robot. After that, you may be asked to answer your security questions. These are the questions you set up earlier when you first created your account. Once your identity is confirmed, check your email inbox. Look for a message from UKG Pro. This email will contain a link or a code to reset your password. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and copy the code or click on the reset link. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you can remember. After completing these steps, you can return to the login page and sign in with your new password. Thanks for watching.